And here, this is Advanced American Nation reflection on, we'll call it research paper and closeout modules. So I broke it down over the course of a week with some rando days in here, things like current events and level set. There's a day for the whole overview with the rubric, how to do research and a works cited, how to write intros, body paragraphs, conclusion, and then submit your paper. I think Advanced did pretty well on this, like they had all the support they needed. Average grade 96 is the same as it was for World Studies. How about that? Let's see if everyone did it. Dylan. Huh. Spires. Skipped. There you go. We were missing 2. So mostly everyone did it. It's 45 points. It was a lot of points. So yeah, in general they did well with it. The only questions I had from students was really, asking about people that they could do if they were acceptable or not, and they all were. So it went well. The closeout, barely worth mentioning. A couple days at the end of school. Take It Back Tuesday is a study all day essentially. I give the kids. Wacky Wednesday, fun question things. Kids, they have fun writing about what their dream birthday party would be, stuff like that. And through this Thursday is the end of year survey. That's it. Alright, so the paper went well. Definitely continue to do it in Advanced American Nation.